Hello, today let's talk about uncountable nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name. For example, people, place, or things. Let's look at some examples. Andres, Maria, Brazil, Paris, Campeche, homework, advice, problem, banana, potato, flour, sugar. Okay, what is a countable noun? A countable noun are things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. Okay? For example, there is an apple in the fridge. In this case, the countable noun is apple. There are many apples on the table. The countable noun is apples. Notice the difference. In this situation, we add an S to apple. Okay, you can count. You can say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. How many students are there in your class? In this case, the noun is students. The singular form can use the determiner a or n. Okay, don't forget. An uncountable noun are things that we cannot count with numbers. They may be the names for abstract ideas or the qualities or physical objects that are too small or too amorphous to be counted. Let's look at some examples. I can give you a lot of advice. In this case, advice is the uncountable noun. There isn't much milk. Milk is the uncountable noun. How much time do you have? In this situation, the uncountable noun is time. I have a lot of information we need to talk about. In this situation, information is the uncountable noun. Okay, what is the difference, teacher? The difference is vocabulary. For uncountable nouns, we use how much. For countable nouns, we use how many. Uncountable nouns usually use the verb to be is in present, in past, was. We also have the uncountable expressions. There is, in negative, there isn't, in past, there was, in negative, there wasn't. Okay, important information. Let's look at the vocabulary to express, okay, to express quantities. We have much, a lot, a little, some, any. These quantity expressions are for uncountable noun. Notice we use much, okay? For the countable noun, we have are, were, when we use the verb to be. The expression for existence is there are and there aren't in present, there were and there weren't in past. Okay, let's look at the quantity expressions for countable nouns. In this case, we use many, a lot, a few, some, any. Okie dokie, please pay a lot of attention to this. Okay, because this is the difference between an uncountable and a countable. Let's look at some vocabulary that are always uncountable. We have advice, knowledge, furniture, homework, housework, information, music, news, traffic, equipment. In this case, we cannot add S. No S. Never say consejos and say advices. In English, we only say advice. In English, we never say conocimientos. In English, we only say acknowledge. Okay, in English, we don't say muebles. We say furniture. This vocabulary here is countable. You can say idea, ideas, answer, answers. drink, drinks, call, calls, sound, sounds, classroom, classrooms, class, classes, question, questions. Okie dokie guys, I hope this helped you with your questions about uncountable nouns. See you later.